SABC commissioned a production house to do the show. I guess those people were not capable enough to do the job. As a result, money was embezzled, so we got to a point where we ran out of money while we were on set. We discovered that there was only 13 rand 65 left.
Into kuya okwaba yona yafika yaba inkinga kakhulu ukuthi ungasakwazi ukuthola iPad yami yakho as an actor. 2 kwazoba ukuthi umsebenzi awusakwazi ukuqhubeka.
To see when asiswami commitment from crew and the cast bavuka ngesikhathi bavuka ngaso basinikela kumsebenzi wabo, unlike just coming for money or just to come and work. Thina ngokubona kwethu ukuthi sigcine sima ne-SABC sikhuluma nayo directly from different departments ukuthi sifuna ukuthi i-industry yethu i-understand ukuthi asenze lo msebenzi just because sifuna ukuthi sithole imali, siyawuthanda lo msebenzi.
First thing they want to do is pay us as soon as possible, and then the second step would be then to resume, talk about a plan of action moving forward of how we're gonna proceed and finish the shoot. So we gave them 2 weeks. They assured us that from Monday they'll start the process of payment.